Go to the game folder. Select GTA 5, right-click it, click on Properties. Click on Compatibility. Check Run this program in compatibility mode. Click to show the options and choose Windows 7. Also, check Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and click OK. Now scroll down, select PlayGTAV 5, right-click it, click on Properties, click on Compatibility, check Run this program as administrator. Click Apply. In this specific case, make sure to not select the option to run this program in compatibility mode for this specific executable, because if you do choose, this will prevent your game from launching and cause an error message saying that Windows 7 is no longer supported. For this reason, do not use the option to run in compatibility mode for PlayGTAV 5, only for the GTA 5 executable. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.